Okay, so right now I want to walk you through how I will host a new application right now for free, a web application. You can see like a website, you can see like a web application. So it's just the same process. So I want to walk you through how we do it if I'm starting out and I just want to have something on cloud. But right now I don't really have the funds to do it. So I just want to walk you through what it looks like already. We have a step-by-step process to doing a full professional hosting. So this one is just you don't have enough resources at the moment, but you want to test your ideas, and better still, you want to share it to clients who might be interested, and then phones release. So very quickly, what I do is I start off from going on Google. You can search here Infinity, all right, Infinity um, free hosting, all right. Just you search that Infinity free hosting, and then you come here. You see this Infinity free, all right. You go ahead and you click on it, and then you come in here. It's going to tell you to log in. If you have an account you can log in, but I just want to walk you through what a new user onboarding would look like. So I'm going to click here register now, all right, and then it's going to say to sign up with Google. I prefer to sign up with Google. It's faster than trying to do so. I'm going to go ahead and give them my sign up. Go ahead and sign up with Google through the whole process. So it's that simple right here. With here, I mean, that's why they have a bunch of these ads, but that's not our concern. Our concern is just that we want to do hosting. So I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. Proper. So we'll just go ahead and turn this off and see what they have. So we've registered the account, but now this account is just like saying create a folder on your computer. I've already explained that before. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to click on that. Like I said, it's just an ad platform. So I'm going to click on that, and like that's just the ads that it's just showing. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to come in here to create now because we're doing free. So this is 5 gig. What a 5 gig space. You might not have so many things as to all these things, but you can just post something, and of course you can send it across board. So you're not doing anything much. You're just sending a file. Do exactly what I just want to share with you very quickly. So let's just walk through what that process looks like. So I focus on just engaging with the app, forget about this thing. So there's an app I'm currently building, or I just finished building. So I just want to onboard it. So what I do is I create a domain name. Typically, if you register for a professional website, this is what they lead you through. All right, you search hosting. They will tell you if you want to register hosting with them on the platform. That will be easier. But since we're just using some other site, this is how it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the name of the site. The site is Apply IQ. All right, that's it. Apply IQ. Then I can change the domain extensions here to pick anything that works for me. All right. So you see all this one. This one is CTWH, and you see free in and rf.x. So I'll just come pick this one, gt.tc. All right. It just kind of sounds a bit technical, so I just like it. Just want to sound that way. And then I'm going to click on and check availability, and boom, it's available, right? It's available. Account available. You can see also generated automatically. Account password and the likes, email consent. Um, so I can say I do not approve. Of course, I do not approve, and then I click on create account, and I should have the account created. So I'm going to come in here and save the information. I'm going to click on no thanks. So in case I want to log into an account again, I can have that. So it's created the account for me. The best out of it. So I just got an email that it's been done. All right. So I just got an email that it's been done, and it didn't take quite long between this time and when I did it. It didn't take quite long, not up to 1 minute or so. So we're done, and boom, this is it. Everything done for you, strict, and everything is complete. So now, what do we do next? after we've gone here. So what we can do is you can come here and click on File Manager. So there is it. Very clear, very precise, very structured. So what's the information? They are saying do not upload files here. Do not upload files here. You don't upload files here in this place. What you do is you're going to upload files inside of this folder. So I'm going to go in right now. I'm going to open upload files here. So now that this folder is selected, let me show you. Assuming now this now the display is selected where it's highlighted. Nothing is highlighted. Remove my mouse away. But now the display is selected. Sometimes you can click inside of it. All right. Sometimes you might not click inside of it. But let's say we've clicked inside of it and we're here. Now that we're here inside the folder, the htdocs folder, because that's where you're supposed to upload your files. This is where it is. Files for your website should be uploaded here. All right, that's it. So I'm going to click on upload very particularly, and I'm going to come in here to zip extract. I'm going to come here to zip extract, and then I'm coming here to choose file. So when I click choose file, my file manager is going to pop open. So I'm going to go to where I have the file, and I need to make sure it's zipped. So the file I have is not currently a zip file, but I'm going to convert it in real time to show you how that happens. So I'm going to come here to document and click on React project. Have it, you should have it. So this is it. I'm going to open it, and this is the folder that I'm converting. This DH3 is the build folder. I've already showed you how to get that folder out. So I'm going to say send to, and then compress it to zip. So I'm going to give it a name, apply IQ. Right, zip 1.1, because that's my first upload in case I want to reference it in the future. So I'm just detailed still work. So that's just it. So right now it's uploaded, and boom, I come here and click on upload and extract. So it's uploading 100%. That simple. I mean, you just follow the process, and of course, so it's a must for you to click into this folder to be able to access the upload without having issues. So you must make sure that you click into that folder. So this is the folder. So I'm not gonna try to work myself. That's why this is index 2, so that you can see it, and you can delete this. You can delete this. Of course, you can delete this, but you can also leave it. So what I'm gonna do is right here where I have this, I'm gonna open it. This is where I have. Always click to open every file. This is what I have, and I'm gonna delete this one because I don't need it for now. I should be able to delete it. So I just hit delete on my keyboard, and it's off. I don't need that. That's the, what do we call it? That's the favicon. These small logos right here, that's the favicon. Allow this. So this is it. So what I do is from here, I'm going to click these two and these two. All right, these are what I need. These are the things that I need. These are the files that I need. But I need to take it to the root, to the empty folder. It doesn't need to be in a folder, in a subfolder. No, it just needs to be in the main folder that they said, that htdocs. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to click on move, click on more here, and you see move, because I don't want the files to be so much. All right, so I'll just click on move, and you see move files here in this DIC. So this is the correct place that I want to move the file. I'm going to go ahead and click on move, and boom, we're done. The file is now here. You can see the two files, this one and this one. All right, so just so I don't have glitches, this is where I'm going to just delete these ones, because I've mastered what the process is. You can leave it, you can leave your own. I'm just going to delete this one. I'm going to delete this one now because it's actually empty. If I open it, you see it's empty. All right, so that's it. I'm just going to click on delete, and then delete all these 3 items, and I don't have any problem. The reason why I'm deleting it is so that in case I want to outsource it or to give it to someone, of course, that's it. So this is it. The files now are now in htdocs that they told me to move the files in. Of course, you can replay the video and see the different transitions in which. So we're done. Now, moving forward, I'll come here and boom, we're going to refresh it, and then you're going to see the site. So here is it. We refreshed it, and boom, this is the site all done for me. All right, so that's exactly what it is. I don't have any comments, so in case you have comments, to reach out to me, feel free to check it out. Any questions that you might have, and let's move forward to making this a reality. Until then, cheers.